Hello everyone, I'm Lomas and today I'm going to show you about the problem, causes, effects and the solution I created about my project Solar On. So let's get started. First of all, I would want to tell you about the main problem. So, hmm, so the main problem is so the main problem is that peop- is that air pollution has caused millions of people have lost their lives because of air pollution, and this is mainly from the smokes coming out of cars, uh coming out of cars because and the gas known as carbon monoxide and etc etc. So if this continues, then it could wipe out the entire mankind. So, I would like to tell you some causes, like for example, deforestation. If trees are cut, then this can cause a loss of oxygen, and it can be very difficult to breathe. And burning of fossil fuels is also a big problem. And now, in the effects of the problem, we can see that there are diseases like pneumonia, asthma, bronchitis, and etc. Large scale winters will also be caused, and death tolls will take a significant role in air pollution. So, the solution created by us is the solar on car. It is a car that operates mainly on solar energy, hydro energy, and wind energy. You can read the features here after stopping the video. So, it has autopilot mode. It can work on hydroelectricity or wind energy at night. We can change its modes or electric or way of working, like you using water mode, wind mode, or solar mode. It can purify the air surrounding it on a 1.5 kilometer radius. So, I would like to tell you the backstory behind your idea. So, we created the idea when we went to Viraj's house for the completion of the idea and prototyping it. We were unsure on what idea to make, then we understood the problem and its causes. We then thought that what if we create a car that runs on renewable sources of energy and on top of that purifies the air surrounding it through a certain radius? Uh, then did some logical measurements and created solar on. We made a video on it to show how it works and it became super successful. Then after that we come to the people who are affected by the air pollution. So because of air pollution many people or stakeholders were also affected by this as fossil fuels had a large amount of radiation. Petrol workers, the people who filled petrol with their hands usually carry radiation in their body, causing problems. Hospital workers, the patients is suffering from radiation often reach to X-ray doctors. Slums. People living in slums usually carry radiation around them. So what we mean is that all the stakeholders who is suffering from air pollution are basically is suffering also from irradiation, which is mainly caused from air pollution as it contains a lot of radiation. So, thank you everyone for embarking on this exciting journey with us. We hope you had enjoyed learning about preserving the world and making it a better place for all species to live. Let's make the air thrive again. The end.